Kovel Huapa Bengdar Hearing Aid Branch Haber Berom Nahilo Hiashat Veto M. Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic Mari Traffic Point Bulmay Kan Nia. Elahian Bengdar Imamoto Shang Kan Kola. Invisible Lang Taylaw. Rechargeable Let Waterproof Tekan Nea. Bengdar Hi Ilay Main Hearing Aid Trial of what's hin Nahin Vekani. Bengdar vua siom le min lo wanga mamosi vua du lo te an lo nan ke hearing aid trial hi kal puyani Bengdar lui emo cheto eng company po exchange kan ti theireng tin kung upalamtan clinic pan har samai theya appointment kal tlangin inom na muna kan pan theibok chewani Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic hi among tata kan ringa min lo pan ve chel donya
Rin Hearing and Speech Care Clinic te hi an thiama an tha an thiam le an that emo wangin Hmar business network a tel phangat an ni ti khangan ron comment zui ve je bonge ole to na hianin hi iran lampang hianin United States laga hen phubala kan tum ve na sang reng khop maya intinian lak dong ka hrebi ko he news hi ka voi khat in ve na turani ka voi khat in na turani ya ngaron riek pop don ani oh unscripted non-scripted inscripted heu not scripted bergen yang ang po to ni se script eng ma omlo ni te haron riek va pop don.
Iran has warned countries against joining what it calls the United States economic war against Tehran.
To henin United States hian in economic war lampang hian ron thar thole do ni US lampang hian in Iran economy hi hre ka tum rem khop mai ni to na hian a chan chu sipai chakna mang hian frank de chuan an he thei big chi lo ni nuclear bomb or atom bomb ang sikha an mang rengo te ni lo chuan United States laka hianin Iran hi tlom hi an tum lo na sa ti hi chu achiang to ani chu wang chuanin United States lampang chuanin bom na tok tak ang chi a mang le rengo tani chuan khovel mitmo amol pho na sa to don mai sia khovel mitmo thiam lo chang do dani kha United States ang han ti chi ni big si lowa chu wang chuanin engtin nge Iran hi kan thuanga om thei tur te kan du dan ang pom tir thei tur te heng te hi engtin nge Iran hi kan pom tir theiang ti in tu na hen ngai to nan senga chu an ngai to na pakhata chuan video masala ma po kan react tong hanin economic warfare ani tu na hianin Iran hi an freka Iran a hianin poisa hlutna ta hiama thil mana to boka tu na hian ram sang te hi USN tho pui turina so mekani hemi Iran economic warfare lampanga be an lak na hian chu Iran lampang hianin United States in tho pui ani chuan in tuarang tin lo volet ve mak mai bokani that maina he thila hi chu turu thodong khop mai.
The warning comes as Washington pushes allies to help isolate Iran's economy.
Iran hi isolate an tum le ani tu lai khovela phei chuanin hey thian han ngai to tamai mai ula in thian za ho apo hanin engmani lo in ti thiam lo ta ula pakhata kha nangma ni kha in thian za ho te khan in thian dang te khan in thian zau jinga hanin nangma kha tu man bedu lo je sela kom du lo che se chuanin poisa te po hanin man ho tir hanin puk tir te po eng ma kha ti du lo se chuanin in biak po theina turang chi zong te po kha han block vekta che sela kha idin mun turani mo khatiang anga khanin Iran hi United States in da khatiang kha United States in Iran hi khatiang din muna hanin da an tu mani ram dang te ne na in sum don ton theilo ram dang atanga bungrolak lu po mumal taka kalpui theilo khatianga da top khatuna hianin United States hianin atum me kan Iran hi mo chu ramdang in Iran hualvel tu te hi tho pui tur hianin asom ni na langa chu Iran hianin in US in tho pui chuan ani mai antia zeblo chonin Iran hi chu an hlau ve de hlek ring achan chu Iran hi thil an ti thei awanga hlau ani ka ring che lo ramdang te hian amaro chu poisak an nei lo awanga hlau zo kan ni hi ka ring hi United States te chu min an hlau na chan chu an rap thil an ti thei me ni mo khavela ramro pui beranga ngai an ni a chu wan choni thil an ti thei a hei wang tak hianin ramdang te po hian an hlau me ni amaro chu Iran an hlau na chan chu thil an ti thei wang po ni lo an fin wang po ni lo an thiam wang po ni lo an hausak wang po ni lo an ro pui wang po ni lo poisak an nei lo awang khan Iran hi an hlau thein ni na langani achan chu tuna hianin Iran hianin warning a peta tero Iran warning oidu lova United States tho pui te kha chu ballistic missile mangin bom pop drone mangin kaple pop Iran chuan poi ti don lo hrim ram dang te he boina nulu khamo chu wan chuanin tuna United States ina ma alak tum na hi a hlo tlinga ngem ti hi zo na lian tak at ni mekani tuna hian.
While diplomatic efforts continue to ease tensions in the region, Iran's Supreme National Security Council Secretary Mohsen Rezai issued the warning on Saturday.
nimina warning up petani so
Speaking on state television, Rizai told neighboring countries not to join the US campaign, saying any country participating in economic restrictions against Iran would be considered an enemy. Well, he warned that
United States tran pui shrim ate hi chu kan mel ma an ni tinghal top mai ni helai ni sida hanin helai search de hanin lal du omati halo o ka chief minister channel hi lal du omati ha in da to pa chu wan sonin thu soi nge thu soi thar om deu thu soi thar react tur te omem ti kha hemi video ka react ma hianin ka zonga chu wang chanin search a khanin ka chief minister ming lal du omati ha lo lang ko lo chik deu te kha chanin riang video kha in va back deu chan mo kha mi kha nakina min eng tin monia an lo phu chop level ta khan nang ma ni khan min lo hriat pui ro ka ti na ni chu arilu chede deu eng mani ni lo ang pui lo phu chop platin tam siamo
that Iran would harm the interests of countries that refuse to distance themselves from Washington. Rizai also said Iran had so far targeted only US military bases and had not attacked American economic interests. But he warned that if Washington imposed further economic sanctions, well, Iran could strike US oil and economic companies in the region and elsewhere.
United States hianin he thil hi ati tak do ani chuanin Iran lampang hianin Middle East United States atanga company eron omate hi heng company oil company ang chi te ho hi Iran chuanin kan beyang an tiani heta tak hianin Iran hian ama pon ambe kher rinom lawa hi heta Yemen lama Houthis te kan rian Houthis te chuanin Hezbollah kan ti te Hamas kan ti te po kha khang teng te po khanin hetiang hianin Iran ina order apek chuanin an la che vele thei tho ani heng Iran hel khoi te hi mo chu wa chuan hei hi chu US tan hi chuanin ha thak le ding don lo to entina Japan an beite kha chuanin dikta ka soi chuanin Japan te po kha United States ina atom bomb an thak awanga tlom an ni lo ti te an omani Russia nge China zo kha hela matanga an ron nor nat ema wanga United States noya tluk lu kha an than zo ka wang hanin United States ta ka hanin an tlom te kha an tiang po ni se khami ka ron soi chuan chan chu United States ni nan in do lai po khanin Japan te kha he United States kha chuan di khan han bea di khan an tlom me ya Japan te kha chuan in di khan hel khoi te po khan nei velem lo ni mun dang da te khan in do pui patni na hun lai khan amaro chu he tu na khovela changkang to aral thuam changkang tak tak an nei to US te po hian amaro chu Iran hi an du dan hianin an om tir thei big mi lo ni chumi pi alama chuan Iran hianin United States hi an control emoni chule ti thei tur leklek ti hian achang so hin thil hiaron om ve thina to te po hianin Iran hi atlom du don mi lowa atlom don ai chuanin ra thlak taka ni rei lo te emo he voi ni kha than che thut ang chi te po kha poyan ti ka ring mi lo Iran lampang hi chuan mo
US President Donald Trump has meanwhile warned of severe economic consequences for countries providing what he called a lifeline to Iran.
Kha US lampang hian hetiang hian ma aron lale ta chi mai ne anin cross ton chat mai US on in Iran tran pui shrim ral thuam ani mo khatiang chi Iran annun nge pa ngai taka Iran hi a function ve theina turata na Iran lo tran pui shrim ate ram hi in economy na tuar don ti in Donald Trump hian in warning aron pevele top mai tu na zonin ral thuam manga khatia jet fighter mangde hanin do khani to lo tu na zonin economic warfare kan loot vele ta thunga ni US le Iran in do face thara kai ta ni chu
Washington has been pressing Iran's major trading partners to join the economic pressure campaign, but not all have agreed.
Niaram zong he chan pom kher lawang.
Now, China has criticized the US initiative, arguing that sanctions will not resolve the wider West Asia conflict.
China lampang so in hetianga Iran in shek awang hianin boina hi a fel pha don lo tin US hi an hril venga tani China tan hi zonin englo hi poimo Iran hi mo Middle East a phaison.
The United Arab Emirates, one of Iran's major trading partners, announced this week that it was suspending trade and financial transactions with Tehran until further notice.
United Arab Emirates ero chuanin Iran tenena anin sumdon ton zong hi thule lao ma chu an lo ti top lei lok ri bokani.
Iran's Parliament Speaker Mohammad Bagher Ghalibaf also accused the United States of putting regional allies at risk. Well, in a post on X, Ghalibaf said Iran has received messages from neighboring countries about creating new regional security and economic arrangements. He called for a homegrown and independent regional order to deliver peace and stability.
Iran du dana chuanin US ronin rol mi lo se US in thiar chuak vek se US omlo nuwa hianin keini Middle East te hianin te hian thatakin hanin dor to nila remna le mona om theina turatan hianin indor to nila ti hi Iran chuan ina du zo khani ngati taka soi chuan hi Iran thlina tlang atang han thlir pui chuanin Iran ngai dan tura chuanin US hianin thiar so khani chuanin Middle East hian remna le mona omanga lim takin keini Muslim unaute po hi kan khom thei zo kang tiang khanin Iran hianin tuna hianin Middle East ram dang te hi asom ve mek bokani ka tiang ani mek lai khanin ram dang atangin Iran vabia economic chungchang ka tiang vati ti pui angchi de po khanom vele thawani kha tun din muna US le Iran in karani Indo ang takha chu ati top to don ri di ina langa United States te ponin USS Abraham Lincoln te po hani enge kha aircraft carrier an ti ang chi te po kha ang ko hoto ni hanin do long lian tak jet fighter te han tum theina ang chi te po kha an ko hoto ni khamo khatia kha thilom dana ni chu van son tu na chon ni an do bur to kherlo na ri no ma amaro chu economic warfare hi angai nom chho tel don hi chu a geopolitics chho le tel don ani video la kanin pole theu don ya